Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel Crystalline By Guneet. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you what is crystal grid, how to make a money and abundance crystal grid, and how to activate that crystal grid. So let's get started. Before we make a crystal grid, I want to tell you what is crystal grid. Crystal grid is a sacred geometric arrangement of crystals that are intentionally placed to amplify the energies of our intention. Before I show you how to make a crystal grid for money and abundance, trust me, from my experience, you really have to trust the grid. You really have to put a lot of manifestation, a lot of energy in that. It will really help you because it has really helped me. The grid pattern which I will be choosing is Seed of Life. You can choose any patterns. I'll put it on the screen. Any patterns can work for you, whatever you resonate with. The crystals I'll be choosing will be citrine. You can choose pyrite as well as the main crystal of your grid. I like citrine a lot, so I resonate with citrine a lot. So I'll be choosing citrine, clear quartz, green aventurine, and tiger's eye. Now let's make the grid. Step 1. Preparing your space. Begin by finding a quiet and a comfortable space where you can focus your energy. Ensure that your crystal grid is set up in a place where it won't be disturbed. Step 2. Gather your supplies. Gather your crystal grid layout and the crystals you will be using along with a piece of Palo Santo and a lighter or a match. Step 3. Setting the mood. Light the Palo Santo stick using the lighter or match. Allow the flame to burn for a few seconds. Step 4. Cleansing the space. Hold the lid of Palo Santo stick in one hand and let the smoke of Palo Santo reach the crystal grid and start focusing on each crystals individually. Visualize the smoke cleansing and purifying the crystals, removing any stagnant or negative energy. Now place the crystals on the grid. For this grid, I have decided to combine citrine with tiger's eye, green aventurine, and clear quartz. There is no better stone for attracting wealth than citrine, the merchant stone. This stone has many benefits. Not only does it attract money and success, but it also helps in self-confidence and promotes motivation. I chose a small citrine tower and placed it at the center of my grid. Next, I decided to add 6 clear quartz tumble around my main stone to amplify its energy. Then I have placed 6 green aventurine stones on the pattern. Once again, I chose green aventurine and the number 6 because they both represent luck, happiness, and prosperity. Last, I'll be choosing tiger eye tumble stones to form a circular border. Tiger eye will help you make wise money decisions and will also give you and your grid a protection against any evil eye. Step 5. Setting intentions. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Visualize a specific intention you wish to manifest, whether it's abundance, prosperity, success, or any other goal. Step 6. Infusing the grid with intentions. Hold your hand over the crystal grid and visualize energy flowing from your palms into the crystals, infusing them with your intention. Speak your intentions aloud or silently, stating them clearly. The intention I will be using is, I use my financial abundance to create positive impact and fulfill my dreams. Step 7. Sealing the intentions. Once you feel that your intentions have been fully infused into the crystal grid, express gratitude for the manifestation of your desires. Visualize a protective barrier surrounding the grid, sealing in the energy and intentions you've set. Step 8. Closing the ceremony. Gently extinguish the Palo Santo stick by pressing the burning end into a fireproof container. Take a moment to ground yourself and acknowledge the energy work you've done. Step 9. Activation. Your crystal grid is now energized and ready to work its magic. Make sure you keep it in such a place where no one else can touch your crystal grid. I will be baking my crystal grid on my work desk. Now that we've made a crystal grid for money in abundance, we've activated that grid. Just keep few things in mind. Every day for 5 to 10 minutes, just meditate in front of that grid. What I mean is meditation is like, say your intention loud. Trust those crystals. Tell those crystals that this is my main goal. I've made this grid for this goal. It will really help you. I hope you like this video. And if you want to make any other grid, for relationship, for health, for family, for protection, any grid, just tell me in the comment box and make a video for that also. Until next time, beautiful souls, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more crystal knowledge. Thank you.